Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is my cleaning and DIY channel, but there is something big happening in my life, so I figured I should probably let you know. We are having a baby, a third baby. And no, I haven't really processed it yet. Most of you guys are new to me, so I want to say hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. I actually have a family and motherhood channel that I'll link down below for you guys. If you're interested in pregnancy and all that stuff, we film everything and we post it all over there. There'll be a link down below. You guys can follow along. You can go see our announcement, us finding out about this baby, our complete shock, me peeing my pants a little bit. Again, that link is down below. So all of the things relating to that will be over on that channel. This will still be my DIY cleaning channel. Leave a comment down below wishing us luck. We are about to be outnumbered. If you have 3 kids, please comment down below and let us know how your transition went, because we're a little bit terrified. As far as this channel goes, we have a lot of house decisions to make. We're trying to decide if we should stay here or if we are potentially moving very soon and what that looks like, and if we need to be prepping different areas of our house. We have a full list of things that we need to do in order to sell our house. We're still trying to decide if we want to go for it or not. We could make it work here, but it's a really good time for the market in our area, so we're kind of like 50-50, I don't know. Even if we don't move, you'll still see a lot of prep work here. We're still working on a lot of projects in a lot of different rooms. And oh my gosh, we're gonna need a nursery. We're having a baby, what? Since we've got nothing else going on right now, I decided to move my girls back into one room together. So they're sharing a sleeping room and we have a playroom. So that's what you're seeing here in this video, is me moving Charlie into Emerson's room. So this is the girls' room now. If you are wondering about kitchen part 2, that video is definitely still coming. We're working on it. A few things have been delayed just because of the COVID stuff. We're waiting on the countertops right now, but we finally got a few things in this week. I don't know why I keep doing this with my hands, but just know that that video is still coming. It'll probably just be a little bit later. If you came over for my kitchen makeover video, thank you so much for the love and support on that video. It is so exciting to watch everyone be inspired, maybe get a few ideas, or just, you know, let us know what you hated about the room. I'm going to put as much motivation and cleaning in while I can before I become exhausted and giant. If we do decide to move, we'll have some moving videos for you guys. I'll let you know what happens. We're playing with the idea of moving potentially to a different area. What we want in a house is definitely not what we have right now. We've realized from having our girls now what works for us and what we kind of need, and we're trying to figure out if we can find that in our price range. Our little girl over here being silly. If you are new, hit subscribe and follow along with our upcoming house projects, potential move, and all that might be going on.
Alright guys, this is a cleaning channel, so let's get some cleaning done. I made a decision this week to move my girls into the same room together, so they have one sleeping room, which you can see is a mess, and then the goal is to turn the other room into the playroom, which is also a bit of a mess. I need to reorganize and go through it. If we stay in this house, this will eventually become the nursery. So I started over here in the bedroom. Earlier in the week, I moved the crib in here, and it's been going okay. It could be better, could be worse. I did notice that after putting the crib here, my daughter could reach all of the things on the shelves, so I had to take everything off the shelves and move them because there was no way that they could stay there. And this led to a little bit of a room reorganization, if you will. Comment below and tell me if you're like this. If I change one thing on the wall, I often change something on every wall. So I just went through the room and tried to clean and minimalize it and make it more of a calm area for the girls to both sleep in. That's one corner down. If you're ever wondering what my girls are doing while I'm cleaning, they're bringing me all of the animals from the playroom. So that's Like I said, if I move one thing, I move many things. This is one of the toy shelves that was in the room. I moved it over to the playroom just so their room can be reading and sleep only. I didn't want any distractions in there. Eventually, we're going to transition our younger daughter out of her crib, and I think that will help with that transition. As I was going through Emerson's bed this time, I was really surprised I didn't find any books shoved down between the wall. So A+ to Emerson for this week. So knowing I was going to move the bookshelves over by the door, I started looking at the wall and taking things down. The decorations that we have in here are all kind of left over from our firstborn's nursery in our old house. Haven't really added anything new since we've been here outside of the accent wall. Like I said, I had to move these bookshelves so that Charlie couldn't take all the things off of them, and I really do like where they ended up. They're right by the door now, so the girls can grab a book on their way to get into bed, and it's really convenient. When it came to hanging the shelves up, I have actually hung them up. I think this might be my third or fourth time because I've moved them from room to room. These are technically spice racks from IKEA if you're looking for them. I just went ahead and eyeballed it. I didn't have a measuring tape around. I had a tiny little level that I used to make sure that they were actually level. And then you'll see later that I just lined them up with a book and then kind of eyeballed the rest. I really did the weirdest way of hanging these shelves up when it came to marking them on the back, but they're kind of odd to hang up. And I really wasn't going for perfection, just getting it done. Okay, on to the playroom, and this room is mostly made up of our foamasium things. As you can see, we have this little couch over here. It's called a Bloxy. We also have some mega wedges and a new product that they have right now. It's called the Spot. But as you can tell, it kind of takes up a lot of space in this room. Luckily, it's a large room. All of these foam pieces are things that we move around often in our house. So for now, I'm keeping them in the playroom just because it's a new spot. The girls are getting a lot of enjoyment out of them being in here, but often we take them downstairs, sometimes even outside. So I'm kind of just rearranging them a certain way for now. After that, I went through the rest of the room and I put everything in the middle so I could go through it. If you're wondering where a lot of our toys are, they are stored in the girls' closets. If you missed my extreme closet makeover and organization, I'll link it down below. But we have all of our toys in bins. So each week, I either rotate the toys out on the toy shelf or I get the bins out when we use them in the toy room and then we put them back when we're done. And it's just an easier way to keep the house cleaner. The girls play with the toys better if it's not just everything out at once. I found this little onesie when I was cleaning up, and oh my gosh, can you believe how small this baby is going to be? I can't decide if or where to put this in this room. It's hard to place things because these wedges and the spot, they move around all the time. We constantly get them out in the middle of this room, or we bring them downstairs, we bring them in the other room. And sometimes I store them in the closet, so it's kind of hard to build around them. I want them out right now, but I think it's something that will change around a lot. Just to give you an idea of what I still need to, go through in here. I did start my organizing process, so I've got several bins of things. I just brought this bag up of newborn things from the garage, not the garage, from the basement. I've got a couple things up here. This closet is a really weird setup. Certain baskets don't fit up there, and only a few fit here because of the bars that hold the shelves up, so it's weird. Trying to figure that out. And I need to go through all this stuff. The problem was, half of it was baby stuff. I didn't know if we needed it until now. Now I know we need it. So I gotta figure out a place to put it. Like I said over here, I've left the spot just because we pull that out. Often I feel like it'll go down here in the middle. The girls' favorite thing is when the wedges are in this little setup here because it's a little ramp on both sides. They can climb up and slide down. So I'm gonna leave that there for now. We got the castle out, little toy shelf. When you can actually go to an IKEA store, I do think I want to get another wall organizer, the Trofast pull-out drawers. Here's the little couch area. We've got books on both sides. This just has little stacking baskets, cute little plant, and some reading books. Still love this wallpaper, so cute. This is one of the toy shelves that I rotate in our house. We have some downstairs as well, and another one in Emmy's room, which is mostly clear. These are just little odds and ends in here. Emmy's troll dolls. This is a little puzzle for Char, or a little, yeah, I guess it's a puzzle. This rainbow stacker. We do a lot of different things with this. On here I put all of the princesses that go with the castle. But that is the current updated playroom. Alright, that's the way that things are going to stay for now, but you guys know I like to move things around a lot, and we've got a lot of decisions coming up when it comes to moving in general.
This wasn't the most inspirational cleaning video, but thank you guys again for watching anyways. Hit subscribe, like this video, it helps me out so much. Leave a comment down below, and happy cleaning!